welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one is for the September premium box, and we've got a bunch of goodies to get through here, so let me show them off to you guys. So of course we've got our little card here, which is adorbs, along with the stuff that's in it and the prices. So first things first, from Complex Culture we have the Sonic T-Bar facial massager, and this is $58. I feel like I already have one of these, though. May not be the same brand, though. But this Sonic-powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt the skin. Rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. So, it looks like this. We have literally all seen this. Like, there is no way you are in the beauty sphere and have not seen this device. It may be one from another brand, but you have definitely seen these. Is it batteries? Oh. The fuck? I'm confused. There is not batteries. I wonder what size it takes. Hopefully not like a crap ton of watch batteries. That would suck. That would be a deal breaker, and I would just sell it. I imagine it's going to be like double or triple A though, right? 1 AA. Okay. That's fair. So let's put that back in here for now. But honestly, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. So I know I got another one, but it was broken. So hopefully this one will do better. Hopefully this one will actually work. Next, from Lorac, we have the Luxe Diamond Eyegloss Trio. Look how pretty these colors are, dudes. Look how pretty they are. I think they're like multi-chromes on some of them. I don't know that it's picking up on camera, but in real life, I'm getting a reflect off that purple one, and a purple reflect off the blue one. And gold off the pink one, so. Anyway, this set retails for $23. A beautifully curated trio in shades inspired by the radiant colors of an oceanside sunrise, the Liquid Gel Cream Eyegloss formula offers a high pigment payoff with even application in one stroke. The eyeglasses provide a glossy shine and a diamond sparkle from the 100% authentic, sustainably sourced diamond powder. What? For maximum sparkle and minimal shimmer fallout. You crushed up diamonds and put them in makeup. Like, were they at least lab-created diamonds? 'Cause, like, that seems like such a waste to put them in something you're just gonna wash off. Like, am I the only one feeling like that's very wasteful? Anyway. That's so crazy. Oh yeah, it literally says in the ingredients, diamond powder. They are not joking. Wow. Okay. How freaking bougie can you get? So then, we have got, by Hey Honey, the Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Tint. So this retails for $23. And it's a berry lip balm formulated with rich emollients like castor bean oil and honey to keep the lips hydrated, repair chapped and dry lips, and provide a beautiful tint to the lips. So that's cool. I feel like I have another one from this line too. Didn't I also have, like, was it watermelon? I want to say it was watermelon, but I could be wrong. But anyway, into the drawer for now with you. Oh, that drawer's stuck. Okay, next one down. That drawer with you. There we go. Whoop. There we go. Alright. And then, ooh, we've got stuff from Herbivore. So this is the Herbivore Botanicals Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. This is $48. My goodness. Bougie mask. A truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white willow bark, fruit enzymes along with aloe, and blue tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. That's so friggin' cool. Like, does it go on blue? It's gooey. Smells interesting. Did we leak? I think we leaked. Oh, that is not what I was expecting! Okay, that is an interesting smell that I don't know how I feel about. Let's just... Ooh, that's very... very aromatic. I'm not sure if in a good or a bad way, to be honest with you. But boy, being trapped in that box sure looks iffy as fuck. Like, ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm just gonna set that aside for now. Oh, boy. It's like that one rose petal one that I was expecting to be, like, pretty, and, like, rose petals, and it was, like, brown goo that looks like a placenta, and I was like, is it supposed to look like that? Did mine go off? And my sister got it in the same Ipsy bag, and showed me hers too, and it looked exactly like it. I was like, oh, ew, ew, I don't know that I want to put that on my face, so I didn't. But anyway, then from Laura Mercier, we have the Soothing Eye Makeup Remover, which is $27, and this is a gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup. A whole lot of words to say nothing, isn't it? Like, the name itself told us that. Alright, whatever. And then the last thing in the box. From Beauty Bakery, we have the Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. Ooh, this is $38. So creamy, you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow with these silky smooth Milk and Honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix, or layer in abundance. I'm having a hard time getting this, not shrink wrap, but bubble wrap off of it. And the edge of that box is sharp, so I'm trying to not slice my fingers in the process. Okay. Oh, how cute! How cute! Oh, I love the packaging. That is adorbs. Oh, and then that's just the outer box. The inner box. Okay. Let's see it. Ooh, okay. Those are really pretty colors. So the color names are Oh Honey, Queen Being, spoiler alert, and Be Sweet. That's so effing cute. Oh my god. That Queen Being one looks a little dark for me, but the others I bet I could make work. I know at least two I definitely can. Be Sweet is a little iffy, but if nothing else, eyeshadow. Queen Being is, like, definitely gonna be eyeshadow, but that's okay. I've at least learned that I can repurpose the ones that are too dark to be a highlighter into being eyeshadow, and it's all good. So, that is what I got in that Boxycharm box, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.